Good morning students. Today let's study Moral Science 3rd chapter. Welcome to MS class. Today let's study chapter 3. Be determined. Chapter 3. Be determined. What we mean by determined? Determination as the ability to do something although it is difficult. Ability to do something although there is some difficulty. Determination. We determine. We take the decision. Though it is difficult, we know that taking decision, it is a difficult act. So what we will do? So continuous process, or we take some kind of resolutions, pledge. I don't do that. I will try to do. I will wake up every day at 6 o'clock and I revise the lessons, English chapter or mathematics which are difficulty. I do. I write pledge. I write resolutions in my book. So tomorrow onwards or today onwards, today itself, I will try my best to do my subjects do properly. I will work out for that. So we take the resolution, we take the pledge and we work for it. Hard work. There is a goal we are having. There is a goal for us. That goal we have to successful or fulfill that goal. That is why we work hard for that. That is a determined or determination. So all successful personalities have set milestones. What we say milestone? Significant. That milestones means milestones you have seen on the road. Some kinds of stones are kept there. That is keeping or showing the way or how much ahead they have to go or something else. It is fixed there. It is the milestones. So afterwards also there we can, so one milestone one after another, it will long distance it can go. It is showing some measurement or something there we can see. So ahead it is going. So like that way some events in our lives. So we can see that a significant stage. Milestone means significant stage. Significant stage or event. Milestone. All successful personalities have set milestones due to hard work and commitment. How it got the significant event or they got some events or significant stage, that means their hard work. India got freedom because of many people worked there, or one or two are good. People think about that, they cooperate with others, then work out, then we got freedom in India under the slavery of the British. So that is the big matter. In our daily day-to-day life, there is a lot of things we can change it. I can help my mummy every day, 10 minutes. I say that today I am beginning the class 9 o'clock. Before 10 minutes or before half an hour, let me help my mother cutting the vegetables or washing the clothes or sweeping the rooms. Though we are small kids also, not so too small, but we can also, you are learning or studying in 8th class. Either boy or girl, lot of work you can do in the house. That is my house. I love my parents. I love my brothers and sisters. So I help my mother. So last lesson already we have seen that is God given my parents to take care of me. So my duty, I take care of my parents. It is, I don't leave this work for my mother. I don't leave this work for my father. So let him bring all these things. No, don't keep like that. Okay, he loves you too much. That is why they are not requiring you to do this work or that work. All your work they are doing and they give you the time for study. So what we have to do? We should be always sincere. So in this lesson we can see that what is determination or what is determined. Determination as the ability to do something although it is difficulty. All successful personalities have set milestones, that means a significant stage or event they kept because of hard work or commitment. So their life, everybody likes enjoy freedom or something else. Even these people, Kailash Satyarthi or Malala Yousafzai, all these people they work for the child labor against that. So they even their leisure time also they kept for working. Even we have seen in this chapter that is Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of the nation. He worked a lot. Even then also he done his housework, a small work at home. He was ready to do. So here we can go through, that is what is the definition. Cambridge English Dictionary defines the determination as the ability to do although it is difficult. Ability to do something. Ability to do something although it is difficult. Though we feel some difficult also, we have to do the things whatever we thought. Means whatever we thought to study well or getting up little early every day or helping my father or mother, my parents, or be happy in the family. All these are we desire. I take the resolution. So all successful personalities have set milestones due to their hard work and commitment. So here we can see in this paragraph many things. So and a sheer will not to give up, people fall prey to circumstances because they lack control over their minds. Therefore they need to nature positive frame of mind. So we take a resolution. People around us, they will teach you, hi, you are today getting up early, studying. What man, that time you watch that football or something else you watch, or cricket you watch, or other thing is there, they will teach at you. Or they will say you can do, but don't mind that. That negative tendency comes. We avoid all these things. So, life is a journey. During the course of our life's journey, we are confronted with many obstacles, impediments, and confronted means we are facing. We are facing failures, sometimes we are facing difficulties, that is confronted with many obstacles, impediments and stumbling blocks. We fall, falter and fail. Instead of bouncing back, we become slaves of the circumstances. So what you have to do? One day we took a resolution, I want to get up early at 6 o'clock and want to revise my lesson. Oh, I slept again. Okay, that day failed. Okay, then next day, third day we want to think that yesterday I didn't take, so today I want to be. So day by day you are practicing. You can bounce up from there. From the failure you bounce up from there, and bouncing means jumping over from there. Jumping over, bouncing back. We become slaves to our circumstances. Then 2-3 guidelines given here. If you want to succeed, you must remember what are the points. If you want to succeed, you must remember, always stick to your goal. Always stick. Stick means you should catch. That means I want to get it. I want to become a doctor. I want to become an engineer in the future, or I want to become a nurse, or I want to do this, or I want to become a pilot, or whatever, or I want to become a whatever your goal. Today onwards you have to work hard. Stick to your goal. Next, second point, whatever your circumstances are, never lose faith in yourselves. So you thought of getting up 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Then 2 days very tired. I slept. No, don't leave that. It is a good decision. That is why I got up at 6 o'clock and practice my subject. I get good mark. Then only I will get the chances to study the good colleges, and I can become a doctor or nurse or any other professional work I can do. That's why it's better you never lose faith in yourself. Next, overlook the negative words by the people around you. You don't think that is always everybody is encouraging you. Nobody encourage you. When you are growing, when studying, learning, all good behavior, lot of disturbance will be there. Your friends will tell you something, or neighboring around the people, they don't they don't mind you like this. They will tease you. Oh, now you started to help your mother, father like this. Don't mind what it is tells. Overlook the negative words by the people around you. Leave it that whatever people are teasing or something that is, or they are not helping you, no problem. But your resolution must be go ahead. Never give up because things seem difficult. Sometimes getting up little difficult now. Oh, very nice. Nowadays winter season just started, so keeping under the blanket we can sleep comfortably. That time mommy is calling, wake up, wake up. We told no yesterday 6 o'clock onwards you take practice for your English subject or maths. Where are you? So that time we feel difficult, we leave it. No, you don't leave it that. Never give up because things seems difficult. Today we will see one example that is given you. Be determined. There is given you a story about, that is the story of see, John Rowley. John Rowley is the person who decided, he took a decision for the good of all people. What he thought, he want to construct the bridge. He want to construct the bridge. What kind of bridge? Brooklyn Bridge in New York, USA. Brooklyn Bridge. This bridge he want to construct. Lot of thinking. So how we can get the laborers for that, or what? Who are the engineers will take? So many thinking, so many plannings. Afterwards, many people reject that. Leave it. From where to where? John Roebling, a creative engineer, conceived an idea to build an eye-catching bridge connecting New York with the Long Island. New York with the New Island. So what happened? So many people rejected that. They did not allow him to go ahead. So what happened? Even then also he didn't disappoint. He didn't leave that idea. He shared with his son Washington. So John Rowling's engineer's son is Washington. He also well educated man. So what happened? The father told her, we do this bridge, we construct this bridge, lot of people they can benefit that, transporting, or anybody is sick, they can go fast to the hospital. So many facilities are getting to the people. So we don't go backside, we should go ahead. What happened? They both are thinking to construct this bridge. Then unexpectedly they met an accident, head injury. One of them got that brain also damaged. Then people told that is the madman. Where is the bridge? Madman, all have gone. No, they were recovering little bit. Even then one of the hands just tip of the finger could move. Even then also thinking is, we want to, whatever decision they have taken, that we have to complete it, fulfill it. So that Washington's son, little bit they can move the tip of the finger. So he touched with this finger his wife's hand and informed that the persons, those who are more intimate love, or intimate means very much loving each other, or they can communicate very fast. So Washington's wife touched the tip of the finger to his wife and it started something to communicate. Afterwards, slowly he moved his finger. This finger he can type it something. he asked or he told his wife that you called the engineers, some other people not planning to construct this building. So again they called the engineers. He was instructing them by using the type machine or something else, using his tip of his hands. Then he was telling this and that. He was started to give the courage and ask them to do all kinds of instructions he has given. So people can work together. People started to work not a day. How many days it have taken? There are many years. See, USA, the Brooklyn Bridge in New York, USA, back in 1870. The bridge was completed in 1883 after 13 years. So all these years they faced too much difficulties. Even then also, when they can move, when they recover from the accident, little bit, all this, they, day by day they were working for it. What is the outcome for that? All people can enjoy afterwards this bridge. They completed the bridge. That is a miracle. Same way we can think about the Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi also thought we want to get freedom from the Britishers. The British people came to India and they were making the people what? They were cheating all the wealth they have taken to their own land and they give only little money for the poor people. They make them slaves and kept the Indians under their shoes. So what think Mahatma Gandhi? We want to get the freedom. So Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru another peoples all together they plan how to work for it. So like that some people are thinking, not only some people in higher level, we can also think our own level and we can get the goal. So we want to get the level, what we have to do, always stick to your goal. We never lose faith. Whatever the resolution, determination means the resolutions be determined. Determination means that whatever the difficulties are there, our goal, we take the resolution, we have to continue it. Then here in your book already given you some fill in the blanks that you can go through that. Then answer the following question. What according to you determination? What according to you determination? So you people, what do you think? If you want, you have any other sentences you want to use or definitions you want to use, okay. Otherwise here, first page itself given you. Determination as the ability to do something although it is difficult. Determination as the ability to do something although it is difficult. One sentence you can write as a definition for yourself. Then next one, that is same question, second one asks you cite examples of famous personalities portraying the same. So cite means refer to book or author or any other passage. So any other peoples you can take, any other well-known persons definitions you can take. That is given you in the textbook itself. The difference between the impossible and the possible lies in a man's determination. So this one you can give the second answer. First one you can give this answer and this one. So next question, what are the advantages of possessing strong willpower and determination? So what are the advantages? You know that is you are learning advantages and disadvantages. Advantages for good for the people. So what are the advantages of possessing strong willpower? You take strong willpower or some other people are taking strong willpower. So that what we say that we already have seen a successful personalities have set milestones due to their hard work. So what are the advantages? What advantages are there? What that successful personality have set milestones? Milestones means we told significant stage or significant. Significant means important. Milestone, significant event or state. So important events, the country got freedom, or the people, see John Rawlings and Washington, they can construct the Brooklyn Bridge in USA. Whatever there is, that are the outcomes. How they got it is, they got due to hard work and commitments. Simply we don't get it. Years we work and we are getting it. That is hard work. And so this one you can write for the first paragraph here. A successful personality has set milestone due to their hard work and commitment. Then third question there is, what inspired you the most on reading the story of Rowling and why? That is personal question. Why? Many of you are asking a question, what is personal? What do you think? You are reading, afterwards you read this Rowling's, John Rowling's and Washington's story. You are 8th class students, you are reading afterwards. What you understand from there? You want to do hard work, you want to make some good resolutions. That are your answer. So I could not tell what you think that is. So examples I can tell you, that is, if you want to write, though there is problems, work hard and get good mark. So I took the resolution. John Rowling is a very higher person. So according to that, he thought he is an engineer. I am a student. That's why I think I want to study well. So I take the resolutions that though there is difficulties, what you will do, work hard and good mark. So reading this chapter, I got the outcome, that is, or what I can grasp from there. Though there is difficulties, I work hard and get good marks. So third question over. Fourth one, the difference between the impossible and possible lies in man's determination. Elucidates the pots. Elucidate means clear the pots. The difference between the possible and the impossible lies in man's determination. So where we can mark it, that the difference between the possible and the possible and the impossible. What do you understand? Possible means I can do. Impossible, no, I could not do. So you have take decision for that. Okay, so all these questions are given you. Go through that. You understand whatever there is and study this lesson properly.